Fine, let me go with the problem number 31 here. Right, it is a simple interest problem. Right, it is a simple interest problem. Right, let us work out this. At what rate a sum of rupees 6,000 will amounts to 7,800 in 5 years? Right, let us list out the data given. They have given the principal P is equal to 6,000, A, that is amount, that is 7,800, time they have given, that is 5 years. What we need to find? We are supposed to find rate of interest, or and as well as to find rate of interest we need to know interest also. Right, we know the interest is equal to PTR by 100. Right, and as well as we know one more equation, that is amount is equal to, right, principal plus interest, or interest is equal to amount minus principal. They have given amount, that is 7,800 minus principal is 6,000. From this we can able to find the interest, that is 7,800 minus 6,000 is 1,800. Right, now I will substitute this, the value of interest, to this equation. Now this becomes, that is I is equal to PTR by 100, where P is principal, T is time, and R is rate of interest. Right, now we need to find rate of interest. Right, R is equal to I into 100, that divided by P into T. Right, what is interest? That is 1,800 into 100, that divided by principal. Principal is 6,000 into what? Time is 5. Let me simplify this. These two zeros I will cancel. 6 3s are 6 10s are, right, 10 1s are 10 10s are. Right, this becomes 3 into 10 divided by 5. Right, again simplified, 5 1s are 5 2s are. Now you need to multiply 3 and 2, 3 2s are 6. The answer is 6%, D. Hope you understood, right?